How to activate Citibank credit card. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can easily activate Citibank credit card. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quickly. What you want to do is first on your device and on your browser you want to search in for Citibank credit card activation. In my case I've already searched in, as you can see here on screen, and I've got various links. Now at the first link you can see citi.com and you can see activate your card option there. You want to search in for this official Citibank website and you want to simply tap on it. Once you do so, it will head you to another page there on the page for the activation of your card. Now let this load up. It might take a few seconds to load up, and you can see here activate your card option, and you can see activating your card is easy. Fill in the information below to get started. Now I don't have any card, but what you'll have to do is enter in your card number here, and once you enter in your card number you can simply tap on continue, and once you tap on continue there, it'll ask you for various other details, and all you have to do is you'll have to submit the details correctly and perfectly. If any of your details is missing or is not correct, then it might hinder the activation of your card and your activation might get cancelled. So you want to make sure you submit the details properly, and once you do so your card will be activated. So this way you can activate Citibank card or Citibank credit card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.